You know, building a culture of customer-inspired innovation is critical to Mitel and to our success. It's something that, you know, is very important to us when we stop and think about all the things that we're doing. We use the Mitel Forum as an opportunity for us to be able to show some of the technologies that our teams are working back in the labs. One of the fun things that I have the ability to do is say, hey, we want to show people at Mitel Next what we're working on. Now, these aren't products that may be available today. Some of them are, some of them aren't. But the reality is show people what is capable by using and mixing the technologies. So today we'll be joined by the Mitel Lab team. And you know, in the past, they've shown the ability to show team collaboration. They've shown natural language processing, IoT, giving machines a voice, workflow process, mobile first, all that kind of stuff. And they continue to add technology elements into this. So, team, come on up. We've got Martin, Shameem, Tim, and Anders. As they're getting ready for this. You know, you want to move my chart forward one? A lot of people ask me, hey, what are you going to do when you're done with technology CEO? And I said, hey, I'm going to run a beer garden. You know, I see them around here. They look pretty good, look pretty casual, good place to hang out, a beer garden. So I have started to collect beer in my refrigerator. Now, there's a lot of things that I have to learn about beer, and that is how important the cooling process is and how you must make sure that that beer is on the right temperature. Because if beer gets too warm, that's a problem. Oh, just a second, I have a call. Hello?
Munich store is reporting a beer cooler high temperature problem. Press 1 to escalate to a technician.
That is a problem.
Technician has been notified. You're welcome.
All right.
So say what just happened.
Let's take a step back and look what happened here. Rich got a call. We've installed an IoT temperature sensor in his fridge. That IoT temperature sensor is connected to our CloudLink IoT connector service. With our CloudLink workflow escalation engine, the high temperature of the sensor triggered an escalation to Rich's phone. He got a call, and he interacted with our CloudLink IVR service. He pressed a button to again escalate the call to Tim, our technician. Meet Tim. He's going to help us solve this problem. Let me point out, everything you see here is live. It's running on our production environment in the cloud. So Tim got the alarm, started his IoT app. It's all live. He can scroll around in the map. And the next thing he's going to do is he's going to use our bot by the name of Maya with natural language processing skills, interact with that bot to try and solve the problem. So first, he's going to try out what the temperature is, which is a very simple question, but he's asking it, natural language, and then waiting for a response from Maya. Maya is out in the cloud, processing the language, reaching back out to our IoT connector service, and reading the temperature of the sensor. So as he's doing that, and you can see is real time, he got a temperature back, and yes, we got a true problem. So as we move on, Tim is trying to see whether he can resolve the problem. Is it a simple problem? Maybe the door is open. He already got the answer. Door is closed. So we really got a problem. We got warm beer, not an obvious solution to the problem. We don't want warm beer tonight. So we better fix this quick. So again, he's asking Maya, reach out for help is, can we get an engineer in our headquarters to take a deeper look at this? And here we go, we got a response. Shameem, meet Shameem. She happens to be on stage with us today. She's the engineer on call. And again, she's going to try and solve the problem now. Here again, she's working with our bot. And as you can see, our bot is not just simple commands or things like that. You can ask it to do more complex things, to actually expedite the work of an engineer. So she's going to ask Maya to run a diagnostic. And the diagnostic triggers a bunch of things. It actually has to go back in our database, interpret what a diagnostic means, collect all the data, and then return it back to Shameem. So as she's doing that, it's going to take a couple seconds. You can see it's live. Maya is going to do that, returns a chart. The engineer can now interpret that chart, and the good thing for us is it's a problem that Shameem knows how to fix. It's a problem that appears quite frequently with that fridge type, very particular pattern. So she can immediately recognize the problem, and what she will know is there is a part broken. We need to get a replacement part. We need to get it quick. So she's going to ask Maya to reach out to our supplier. And Maya is going to take it and escalate into a real-time conversation to get the supplier on the line. And here's Anders.
Good. Some pieces. Oh, hi, Shameem. It's been a while.
Hey, Anders. How's it going?
Good, thanks. How are you?
I'm not too bad, thank you. Got a bit of a problem here.
Oh.
Rich McBee's refrigerator's, the temperature's broken, so I think I know what part to order, and I need to get it really quick. The beer is going warm.
Do you have the part number?
I do. It's Charlie 00 Lima 3 Romeo.
Okay. Yeah, we got that. You want that expedite?
Definitely. ASAP, please.
All right, I'll ship it to the ad. Okay, it's on its way.
Yep. Same address as usual.
Okay, it is on its way. See you soon.
Cheers. Bye.
Bye.
Thank God, it's on its way to Rich's Bräustübel, right down the street. So it's going to be installed. Everything's going to be good. Beer is going to be cold in no time, and we can get cold beer tonight. So you saw technology working together with humans to solve a real-world problem. So let's dive in and see what you just saw. First of all, you saw the temperature sensor. As I mentioned, it's connected to our CloudLink IoT connector service. The workflow escalation engine had the rule set where the temperature measurement on that sensor triggered the escalation. The escalation triggered a phone call through our CloudLink platform, and Rich interacted with our CloudLink IVR to make that happen. The next step was another escalation, which is another rule set in the workflow engine, and that put Tim into the team collaboration workstream. He launched the IoT app, which is a team collaboration app that enabled him to interact with Shameem and to interact with our bot in a very natural environment to help and resolve the problem. From there on, it went to our contact center to trigger the escalation to Anders to reach out to our supplier to directly route it to an agent, get the thing resolved, get the part on its way. So this shows the technology. The beauty is, it's not just technology you saw. It's the combination of products we sell today, such as team collaboration solutions, such as our contact center, open media APIs to drive the video you saw, in combination with our CloudLink microservices, advanced workflow and escalation engine, our natural language processing bot, It is able to interpret natural language commands, respond, and drive communication workflows, and our IoT bundling and applications. And all of that will be productized. We will productize all of that. So what are the key takeaways? IoT technologies and the power of those technologies are really improving workflows. But the magic really unfolded when it was connecting devices and people in a natural communication workflow to really unleash the power of that. Now you might ask the question, so what's different? We've been showcasing this for a while, or similar things, so what's different now? We have created the CloudLink platform, the workflow escalation engine, IoT application bundle, to enable you to do this, to enable non-experts to put those types of solutions together. All of this technology, however, is nothing without you in the room. You know your customers. You know your workflows. You know the problems that we have out there that we can solve applying digital technology. So let's work together. Let's use this technology, and let's build solutions that create truly great customer experience.